Dreaming of jetting off without breaking the bank? The secret to snagging cheap airfare is closer than you think. Airfare costs can be daunting, but savvy travelers can uncover opportunities. The key question: book early or gamble on last-minute deals? Each holds unique advantages and risks. Booking early offers peace of mind, securing your seat and simplifying coordination of hotels and car rentals. But fare discounts vary among airlines. Conversely, last-minute bookings can yield substantial savings, especially around Saturday mornings. Airlines slash prices to fill empty seats, a golden opportunity for those with flexible schedules. Your travel purpose is crucial. Attending events or needing hotel stays. Last-minute risks might disrupt your plans. The choice to book early or late hinges on your needs and risk tolerance. If peace of mind is paramount, book early. If you're a deal hunter, watch for last-minute fares. Beyond timing, compare prices across airlines, avoid weekend and holiday travel, and dodge in-flight charges by bringing your own snacks and drinks. Whether you book early or chase last-minute deals, savvy timing with smart travel hacks can turn your dream trip into a reality without overspending. For more travel tips and tricks, subscribe to Vacation Advertiser and never miss a chance to fly smart and save big.